Hey guys, it is your girl Cece. I am seeing my curls. I'm here to show you how I got this super cute, easy butterfly locks. Alright y'all, so what you're going to need to accomplish this style, I ordered my hair from Amazon. You can get it from the beauty supply store, but you're going to pay more. But you're going to need your individual crocheted butterfly locks. These are 18-inch 1B. I got them from Amazon. I will leave the link down below. It came with 6 packs of hair. And obviously we will be doing the crochet method. So I got my straight backs. And then we have some individuals for the front so that everything can blend seamlessly. Okay, I'm going to go fast. I'm not even going to lie to you. So let's just go over the things that you're going to need. Honestly, we're starting from braided hair. So I'm not going to tell you guys what you need to braid your hair. I used my moisturizing Cantu styling gel with flaxseed and olive oil for my braids. But yeah, you're honestly just gonna need a crochet hook and the crochet hair and a lot of bit of patience. But it's 11:30. We're gonna see if we can finish this before 2 a.m. Honestly, I feel like I can do it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start the front or start the back. I will show you guys how I do the back. Then I'm gonna speed through it, or I might come. Yeah, we'll just see how it happens. But I will give you a tutorial on the front and the back. So let's go ahead and get this started. All right. So to do this, you're literally, if you've never crocheted before, I'll show you a little bit. You take the loop, put the hook through. You attach it. Once it's through, you latch it, you pull through. you literally crochet it onto your hair. It's super easy. Let me know if you need like a more beginner friendly tutorial. Obviously this isn't super beginner friendly. This is for my girls who know what they're doing with their crochet locks. But honestly, even if this is your first time doing crochet locks, it's not that hard. You essentially, like I showed you guys, you find the loop. If you're not doing locks and you're just doing regular crochet hair, it's even easier. But you find the loop, you take your latch hook, make sure it is the latch hook for hair and that it has an actual latch. You slide it through, you hook the hair on, you slide it through in the opposite direction, and then you make a loop. You can make as many loops as you want for security. With locks, you don't need to make a bunch of loops because they're not going to slide. If you would like have just done like regular curly hair, then you would probably have wanted to do more loops to prevent sliding of the hair and hair falling out. But yeah, this method is so easy. So as you guys see, I'm slowly spacing things out to try to not run out of hair. But I will soon realize that I needed, 12 packs of hair. I'm not even lying to y'all. I needed 12 packs. I'm going to tell you guys at the end I need 12 packs. So I'm just going to tell you now. I need 12 packs of hair. I have a head full of hair. I have thick, high density hair. So it just looks right for me to have a head full of hair rather than having thin faux locks, So I'm just showing you guys for the front. You want to make sure, and I mean like the top of your cornrows, because as you guys see, I did some individuals at the front to help the blend. But for the front top, you want to get as close to the top of the cornrow as possible, just to hide the fact that it's a cornrow and just to try to make it look like real faux locks. Like I did these all individually, even though ain't nobody got time for it. So I'm just about to install these back ones, and then I will come back to you guys with the front. Alright, so we are in the front. This is the hardest part. I'm not even lying to you guys. So you're going to want individual braids for this. Make sure that you pre-measure the braid. But as you guys see, I'm just doing the normal, looping the hair through. I'm going to make one loop. And ideally, we are going to weave my braid into this faux lock. So, like I said, this is sped up. I have a more in-depth video, and I can also link you to videos on how to do this a little bit, slower. But you guys see, I just inched my hook in to a small opening, and I started towards the top of the lock, and I'm just pulling my braid through. And you guys are going to see me weave my braid through the entire lock until you can't see my braid anymore. So after you get it through the top, then you just work your way down from opening to opening until your braid is completely hidden. Now this part is hard. Like I was saying, this is the hardest part of the whole install. This takes the longest part of the whole install. Use your patience. But doing your front like this, instead of just doing straight backs and having your faux locks just attached to the straight back cornrows, it makes the style look not like crochet braids. The one thing that I hate about crochet braids is the way that crochet braids look. Like, they don't look like actual hair. And for me, protective styling, especially if we're gonna do a protective style hack, I want it to blend with my natural hair. I want you to think it is my natural hair. I don't want you to see that it is not my natural hair, and that is my thing with crochet hair. So that is why I do the front of my hair as an individual. I do this for Passion Twist. I did this for last year's faux locks set. And this is a method that I strongly recommend if you don't want people to clop your faux locks. So as you guys see, I'm just literally working that piece of hair down that lock, and it's not gonna look perfect, but it's gonna look clean and it's gonna look good. And you did it, so like, you take pride in stuff that you do, because half these chicks don't even want to do their own hair, you feel me? So yeah, that is how you do the front. Like I said, ask me any questions you need down below. I will definitely answer questions. The link to the hair that I used will be in the description box as well, so just enjoy the rest. All right. So I'm done for the night. It's 1:45. I did under 3 hours, under 2.5 hours. Just like 2 hours and some change. But this is the final hair. So if your hair is as thick as mine, 6 packs is not enough. I just had to order another pack because there are a lot of gaps in the back. But I spaced it out to the point where I can at least get what I need to get done tomorrow. Maybe I'll just put on a little scarf so that like it doesn't look too ratchet, but this is what we're looking like. And hopefully when we get that, because I couldn't get just 1 or 2 packs, I had to order a whole nother 6 pack. So I'm just gonna make it like really full once that gets here. I look, wait. I'm gonna make it real full once that gets here on Saturday, but yeah, that's the plan. So we'll finish this tutorial then. Hey! Hey guys, so as you see, I finished. This is the final look. I got the edges a swoop-a-doop. Yo, this is the best my edges have looked in a long time, except for right here. But listen, my edges don't like being laid. It's whatever. So the second order of hair came today. I actually ended up using all the hair. So like I said, I have a lot of hair. Normally when I do my hair, it honestly takes about 10 packs for it to look the way it needs to look. My hair is very thick. My hair, it's just, I have a lot. So if I thin down my hair, it's gonna look a little silly because everybody knows I don't have thin hair. And then I also just don't have thin hair, so it also just looks silly because of that, if that makes sense. So I definitely ended up using all 12 of the packs. I probably have like 3 left over. It was super easy to install. If you want see another way how I've done faux locks, it's the same method, just a different type of hair. I'll go ahead and link that up below wherever it goes. But I'm about to go to karaoke. I'm excited. So yeah, it's like 10 o'clock at night. I'm about to go out. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let me know how you guys like this hairstyle. I'm feeling it. I go to the beach tomorrow. It's giving everything it needs to give. It's giving everything it needs to give. So yeah, let me know how you guys feel about the style down below. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.